They was gatvol val.
Well, this is the problem with Edenville on the Friday night. I don't know how many idiots we've had screaming and flipping, hooting.
Sis.
Wat toe? Waar gaat hy? Waar gaat hy?
Hier is jou flitse vir die week. Daar het 'n man van Alabama onlangs uit 'n bewegende kar gespring wat 56 km/h gery het. Wat sy meisie bestuur het, hy het besluit hy het genoeg gehad en enigste manier hoe hy uit hierdie verhouding uit gaan kom is as hy nou die kar uitspring. Dalk was hy net baie slim. Of dalk is hy die domste drol. En hulle sê as jy dom is, dan moet jy kak. 'n Eiendomsagent het onlangs 'n huis op die mark gesit en foto's van die huis en al die kamers geneem. Een van die kamers was 'n plantasie waar een van die vorige inwoners dagga gegroei het. So 'n klomp swart bakke, lekker dagga plantjie en dis dit sit op die website. Seker op aan sy huis verkoop gekry. En nog steeds al werk gehou. So hierdie is onderwyser van die jaar. Hy maak dit vir homself fun.
Are you serious?
Well, hey. No, can you do this?
Ons was onlangs by Trevor Rebello se music video shoot. 3 music video's wat een storie vertel.
So ons is op location in Edenville by Trevor Rebello's music video shoot. Ons het al klaar vastgesteld dat die leading guy like soos Andrei van Astro Electric en Moving House. En ons het ook 'n bergie daar gesloop wat dink dat Trevor is actually Khan van the Paladins en hy sing die hele tyd Push Me to the Floor.
I don't know you. I love you when you play that thing.
The one drunk hobo came up to me and asked if I was still playing at Joburg Day tomorrow because he heard a prank on the radio.
I've seen that
Well, some guy just thought Trevor's Paladins and he's like, I'll see you at Joburg Day tomorrow, push me to the floor. So clearly we've got fans.
Actually, you're not Trevor Rebello, you Khan Morby.
Push me to the floor.
Can you give us like 1-2 sentences of what it's about?
Sorry.
As I was saying, 2 sentences.
It's pretty much an exploration of the dynamics in a relationship and who's right and who's wrong, and what forces people to do right things and wrong things.
Do you have a title going, Rob?
Can't give too much away, but we're working on BBC. Bitches Be Crazy.
It's a working title.
Just be crazy.
them crazy budget.
I can do Jean's job. Sorry, man. What should the title be?
Never love it. Generation gap.
He loves the generation gap.
Hulle is besig om hier sien te skiet in 'n bottelstoer hier agter my.
Well, the whole story kind of revolves around a guy and he's pretty much got a drinking problem. So this is like one of the shots we stop past these locals and he walks straight in, grabs, knows exactly what he's getting. And yeah, so we're kind of sitting now and he's kind of got a bit of a thing going with the countess, is that the right word? And then yeah, so we're doing that now. It's kind of a problem with a lot of the bums that actually do have alcohol problems and they're all pretty drunk and running around eating meth and stuff. Well, this is the problem with Edenville on the Friday night. I don't know how many idiots we've had screaming and flipping, hooting.
So you're from here?
Yeah, me and Trev both grew up here.
So it's your home.
Exactly, Vale Pride. No, well, me and Trev decided not to be in the video. Like, we can barely play instruments, let alone act. So we kind of thought it'd be cool to get professional actors. So we got full crew, even the extras. So it's going to be that kind of vibe where we're not in it, but we kind of took it more on the art direction side where we've kind of chosen actors and locations, hence being in Edenville. So I think that was our role. Like, we didn't want to be in it, because it might lose credibility.
So what's the next location? Where are we going to?
After this, we're going to go down to the Apple Bite, one of the local roadhouses.
I'm sure our parents and their parents were having first dates at the Apple Bite Roadhouse.
Do you think that's where you were conceived?
It potentially.
The last scene of the third video, they're kind of sitting in the Apple Bite and they're pouring whiskey into their cokes and kind of finally having this closure moment.
Rebels. So ons is by die tweede location van die music video shoot. Ons is by the Apple Bite. Dis is 'n solid roadhouse. Jy park, hulle bring vir jou 'n menu, jy kan in jou kar eet, jy kan binne gaan eet. Dis moer so cool. En hulle gaan nou 'n paar scenes hierso skiet. So ons sien nogal uit om te check wat hulle doen.
No drinking on set. We're trying to professional. We're trying to do this properly, but I don't know how long it's going to last.
Fucking be professional.
When we sat down and we thought up, the idea of kind of doing a 3-part video or a shortish film, we kind of sat down ourselves and we're like, let's write it and let's write our own idea and everything. And we did, and we were so proud of it, and we were like, we love it. Let's send it off to a director.
Well, the band came to me with an idea that was cool.
And the first meeting we did with him, he kind of sat us down and he was like, I liked your idea, but we're not going to do any of that.
It involved some strippers, which I didn't know would be too PG, so I did change some things up.
So it was actually pretty scary how someone who we had never met before could come up with a concept which is pretty much summing up exactly what the album's about. So.
I can concur.
Each one, it's one day, one linear day that gets chopped up, and each video shows a different segment of a couple's relationship.
The songs that me and Trev wrote together, and the songs are based on stories of our lives, and obviously the character Ricky is scarily a lot like us. We know we are the kind of slow wusses, and we do kind of have drinking problems, and we have made a lot of bad choices. But it's also kind of, again, goes back to the whole thing is sometimes the chaos that we create is a lot of things that some people find attractive.
So basically is hulle besig om make-up te doen en reg te maak vir die volgende scene, en toe kom ons vinnig buitentoe. Hierdie is Ricky se pimpmobiel. Dis waarmee hy rond cruise in die video. Pretty suave. Hy het nou nie 'n familie nie, station wagon vibes, maar dalk eendag as hy en Christina kinders het, dan kan hulle drive-in toe gaan of fliek gaan kyk of bietjie mall toe gaan. In die geel monster. It's pretty cool. So tell us a bit about the art direction of the 3 videos of the short film.
We're trying to make it as naturalistic as possible. So these are real people living in the real world, and not much is romanticized.
So don't talk to the cast of the video.
I'm Morgan. I play the role of Christina.
I'm playing Ricky.
I am the girl who's crazy for Ricky. Ricky's girlfriend.
Ricky rates that he's real cool and badass. Thinks he's like better than most people.
He's not that keen on me. She's a very straight edge kind of girl.
So was it hard to get into character?
No,
it's just
I just spent a couple of minutes with these gentlemen.
we just heard this rumor through the grapevine that clothes are going to be coming off in the video.
I heard that rumor. I did have to agree to certain things. Watch the video.
Watch the video.
So die probleem van die volgende video is nie die feit dat hulle dit gemaak het nie. Dis die feit dat hulle dit gemaak het terwyl hulle op vakansie was in Borneo en toe leë bottels gebruik. Wat van jy vat 'n vol bottel en maak hom leeg en vergeet daarvan terwyl jy op vakansie is en doen hierdie video's wanneer jy by die ys is in boord is. Maar nietemin, hierdie is 'n cool vibe under the sea. As jy nog nie van Radio Raps gehoor het nie, is jy nou in vir 'n ding en jy kan ons later bedank. Op Twitter beskryf hulle self as Radio Raps is 'n stasie waar ons dinge bespreek op ons terme. Ons waarborg ons mense dat ons altyd iets sal hê om oor kak te praat. Radio Raps, ons lig in. So hulle het op 4 November 'n nuwe video uitgebring oor visvang.
Fishing, visvang. As die Indianer dit noem. So net al sê. Moes 'n lekker sport.
En as jy een van daai mense is wat eerder in jou kombuis bly en na jou warm olie kyk om te kyk of jy nou jou koeksissers kan ingooi, moet jy dalk nie hierso klik nie. Of dalk moet jy. Want dan mis jy uit. Radio Raps. Check hulle uit hierso.
So eerste ding van die tegniese deel van visvang of fishing of is jy nie wat nie, hè? Soos hulle dit noem. So jy moet voerplek maak om die goed half te lok. Alright. Nou dit is Saterdag vandag. Bier sal werk. Chippies, kroegkos, basies. Lekker kroegkos.
En is tyd vir wat te flits en hierdie week kan jy actually flits maar vervang met die regte woord wat met 'n F begin. Want hierdie bootjie is belaglik.
I am Optimus Prime.
Absurd.
Autobots, assemble. We must find the sacred screwdriver. Autobots, transform and roll out. My name's Jason Statham. I don't really know what Optimus Prime is talking about, but we need that screwdriver. It's our only chance of survival. I'm Batman. Where's the screwdriver?
Klik hier onder, subscribe, comment, doen wat jy wil, vertel vir ons 'n storie, enigiets wat jy op die hart het. Ons sal jou persoonlike sielkundige raak. As jy dit ook wil hê. Maar andersins, Kom join ons net hier om die hoek, want dan sien ons jou by die bar.